Installing the plugin is pretty straightforward. Just go to pix.live/compositing. That's all. Alternatively, you can also go to Picture Instruments website. Inside of Products, Plugins, you'll find PiXimperfect Compositing. You can buy it directly from here if you want to, or if you just want to install the plugin, get access to the free features, and you can buy it separately and activate it as well. That's up to you. So just to install the plugin, you can click on Download CCX. Alternatively, you can directly install it from your Creative Cloud app by clicking here. So for now, for simplicity, click on Download CCX and click right here, and then enter your email. So I'm going to just type in my email real quick. There you go. Click on send and it should arrive in my email. There you go. Let's click on this link and the download starts, and let's save it right over here. Let's click on save. That's all. Now this is a zip file. Okay. So let's right click on it and choose extract all. If you are on a Mac, you can double click on it just as you open zip files, extract. All right. Now inside of that folder right here, let me show that to you again. Inside of that, you'll find PiXimperfect Compositing, version number, and then CCX. All you have to do is to double click on it. Now you can choose to install from Adobe or install locally. Absolutely up to you. For simplicity again, I'm going to just install locally. Click OK. And it is installed. That's all there is to it. Now once I open Photoshop, you'll see that the plugin is installed. It's downloading certain files and it's ready to go. Now you have to sign in here with your Picture Instruments account. If you don't have an account, you can just create a free account by clicking on this button. Let's allow it. Right in here, I'm going to type in my first name, last name, email, and give it a password. All right, here we go. Language, English for me. Click on register. One capital letter. Let's try to do that. One capital letter, one number, one number. Okay, let's hope that I remember it. All right, let's see if we receive a confirmation. There you go, welcome. And we can click on confirm my account. All right, confirmed. And now we can log into the plugin. Let's type in our email and the password. All right, click on login. Now, if you just want to use the free version, click on free. If you want to buy, click on buy. Let's say I want to use the free version. I click on free. You have an introduction video on how to use the entire thing. Let's close it. And that's how to install it. And you can work through the plugin, see what each section does. And you can also turn on the help. For example, if you don't know what they do, click on this question mark. The help will be activated. Every section is explained, right? If you open any section, each section has an explanation. Of course, this would make the plugin much longer, so you can click on that again to deactivate it once you get to know what each one of those buttons do. In case if you can't find the plugin or if you close it, you can always find it inside of the plugins tab and go to PiXimperfect Compositing, and there you have it back.